Hello everyone, today I will disassemble Xbox Original. I think not many people will remember this. This is first Xbox for Microsoft, and this is how it looked like. So yeah, as you can see, there's a video input and audio. As you can see, also there's internet input. So you can have I think internet or multiplayer, and in front, as you can see, there's a four inputs for the controller and doors for the DVDs. So yeah, um, oh my god, it's so heavy. Yeah, do not open. Yeah, right. As you can see, it writes just Xbox because it's not 360. It's original, the old one, and as you can see, the screws are like this. So I need one of these, and I will do it in all good way with my own hands. Yeah, that will take some time. Oh my god. As you can see how long screws are. That's almost as my finger. Yeah, that's one long screw. So, in just a minute I will disassemble anything and then we will continue. So yeah, as I remove uh, this thing, you can see the DVD device, Thompson DVD room reader, and oh shit, and I think it's hard drive disk. Yeah, it's Seagate. Think where is I wonder where is the gigabytes of this thing. Maybe it's, I don't know. We'll check it out later. So as you can see, it's an old IDA, not SATA. Oh shit, everything is assembled here. Maybe I can remove. Well, at least not my bare hands. Well, shit, as you can see, there's some more screws, so hang it out. So yeah, I removed DVD reader. I wonder, can I use this in my computer? Don't, wouldn't it look awesome, you know? Xbox DVD reader. I think it only reads discs because why do you need to write discs in Xbox console? So yeah, but still it would be awesome. And I also removed this DVD drive. Oh, I'm not DVD, HDD. So yeah, I'm wondering how much space does this have. And as you can see, this is console itself. Some capacitors, ACs, NVIDIA. I think you can see. Oh yeah, here it is, NVIDIA. This is like a video card or something. I wonder what this is. Samsung. another Samsung microchips. Oh, you can see written Microsoft here. I wonder, is this a processor or something? Oh, even bigger. I wonder, what is this? Then how do I remove it? Maybe, whatever. Some transformers, or how do I call this? So yeah, some bigger capacitors, 400 volts, and 150 um, microfarads. So yeah, this is how it looks inside. And yeah, what can I also see? There's a fan. Oh, it's so dirty. You know, this console is 12 years old. I think, no, not here. Right here is right. 2001. So this console is 12 years old, and it should still work. Yeah, my friend said it still works, but it don't have controllers, and that kind of sucks because you can play Halo on this and many more great games. So yeah, I wonder, could I remove these? Doesn't seems to be easy, but okay, I will stop right here, and if I could, I will remove this and continue. So yeah, I removed that, and as you can see, it's Intel CPU. I don't know what kind of model is it, but it's Intel. So yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to show you. And if you like this video, subscribe me, like this video, and see you soon. Bye.